Oh. Yeah, boy. First things first, you want to get a nice little turn on your lug nuts, break them loose before you jack her up. So what's sweet about these compared to airbags is that you have this 45-minute install, so easy you can just send it in the snow real quick. And then unlike airbags, absolutely no adjustments after, can never have any leaks.
Under the diff.
There's no maintenance.
Jack her up. Alright, let's get her in the air.
So you want to jack her up from the rear diff. Then once she's up in the air, pop those lug nuts off. Take that wheel off, baby. Then you want to put the jack stands under the frame. In the original install video, they put them on the ends of the leaf springs, but the way that mine are shaped on the ends, that wouldn't be ideal, so we use the frame instead. Then you want to drop that rear diff as much as possible. Get maximum arch in those leaf springs. And then once you get maximum arch, you want to do a couple little pumps just to barely support the rear diff. And it's time to throw them on there, baby. You go over the leaf spring eyelet. Then I have aftermarket Timbren SES. Super easy to just slide right under those. Then you pop that bolt on from the U-bolt. In this case, we're on the very last hole. Tighten that on up. And then it's time to adjust the coil. You keep turning the coil until that spacer that they send you fits in there. And it's time to throw those wheels back on there and send it, baby! This RoadActive suspension also stops sway and body roll, as well as reducing excessive bounce and rebound at all times, baby, regardless of having a load or not.